one doesn't tell you.
You don't tell me that.
That's probably the ones that. That's one.
That's when we went there. That one. Yeah. Let's see where he can drop us off. That's closest to the door. See which way he's going, or is he allowed to drop off?
Let's go clear that one.
Yeah, I feel like where, yeah, can you drop us off close to there? If it's on his way or whatever. So we are all the way through
Well,
there.
'cause we went through one of those bridges, didn't we hang out? That's where we did when these talks. On the exchanges, through the bridges.
Yeah, like the waterfront down here.
I was thinking it was down that way, back downtown. Where we saw the hotels and stuff.
Yeah, like we're across from Marriott.
This one, right? This one.
Yeah, no, just have them drop us off.
Have you used it though?
Yeah, no, don't use your tour bus for that.
You know, yeah, you want at least to be 20 that way though.
There's a walkway over there that's called Walmart.
We have two. Bet you were. That's a pretty cool idea.
They need to have that in San Francisco, to be
Well,
honest.
they're gonna go, they're gonna let it,
It'd be cool if they did one in San Francisco from like the top of the mountain, like Golden Gate, you know?
What's down here?
Kevin will swing as we pass the tower.
That's gorgeous. That's awesome.
Pwede ka sa ito ay siya. Fíjate, no hay nadie que enfrente cuando me estaba bajando y me dijeron que no hay. Es que cuando ella que enfrente y le digo, cuando más alta que traiga.
Bring transportation.
The music and
Lo bueno es que montamos los dos. Ese para arriba y ese para abajo.
Hi Tom, it's Maria. We are just getting to the bottom now, just so you know. So we'll come outside and meet you wherever you are.